vocabularies.
Hi guys, welcome back to Niina's channel. Today we're going to read this alphabet book, and I got it from school, so we can learn the alphabets, and there's pictures in it, and even I'm going to sing, and so let's get started. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cool, cool. D is for domino, domino. E is for egg, egg. F is for flower, G is for grape, grape. H is for house, house. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kite, kite. L is for lollipop, lollipop. N is for mountain, mountain. N is for Niina, Niina. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pool, pool. Q is for question. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. That's the end of the alphabet. Bye. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos, and comment down below how much letters are in the alphabet. And like this video, and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!
Wait a minute, I'm going to.
Apple, 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 apple. Imagine if I just do the song, do the sound, and then I just say apple, 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 and then you turn the page. Ball, ball. Apple, 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 apple. Ball, ball. Cool, cool. Domino, domino. Egg, egg. Flower, flower. Gold, gold. Grape, grape. House, house. Ice cream, ice cream. Jellyfish, jellyfish, kite, kite, lollipop, lollipop, mom, mom, mountain, mountain, Niina, 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 octopus, octopus, pool, pool, queen, queen, question, question, rabbit, rabbit, rocket, rocket, sun, sun, soup, soup, violin, violin, volcano, volcano, watch, watch, whale, whale, box, box, x-ray, x-ray, yellow, yellow, zoo, 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 zebra, zebra. Thank you, everyone.